Hello fellow makers, in this video I will just quickly guide you through how to set up your LCD display for your e-bike, and for this model especially KT LCD 3. So let's start with it. So first of all we will turn on the switch and turn on the display, and I will turn on the backlight also so that it will be easier for you guys to see it. DK, if it's helping or not, let's see. I think yes. So now as you can see here, this is the main display part. There are three display modes, right? You can cycle it through this power button over here. Press once, it will cycle. So first one here is the real-time speed and how much distance you have covered here, and this is the total trip time, the current motor wattage, this is pedal assist, and the motor temperature. Then for the second part, this is the average speed for which I travel. IDK about this actually, this is it's showing here a odometer, and then if I press again, then it will show the maximum speed I have set for my cycle right now, the voltage, real-time voltage of my battery, and that's it. After turning on your display for more than 5 seconds, if you want to reset your distance and trip time, you can press and hold this up and down button right here. Then it will start flashing actually. Then you will press it again, the power button, and it will be reset, as you can see. For doing the basic settings of this display, you have to first turn it on. Then within 5 seconds you have to press and hold the up and down button. It will show you some first of all, this is the as you can see, I can set here the maximum speed of my bike. This is I have set for 70, but it goes practically to 65 kilometers per hour, so it shows 65. Then if you press the power button again, it is showing here for the wheel size, meaning this one, the hub size of your, and actually like the actual wheel size of your cycle, which I've set to 27.5 here, as you can see. Then pressing again, it is asking for the metric system. As you can see, I have set it for kilometer per hour and kilometer. And then if you press again, yep, after setting your basic settings for the display, then you can again press and hold the up and down button, and it starts showing the P parameter. Okay, for P1 I have set it to 46, for P2 0, for P3 0, P4 is also 0, and P5 is 15. Actually these P parameters hold a meaning to themselves, and I will attach a PDF link to this video so that you can understand what these P parameters stand for. After setting your P parameters, you can again press and hold your buttons up and down, and it will start showing C parameters, and I have set my C1 to 2, C2 to 0, C3 to 3, C4 is 0, C5 is set to 8, C6 is 3, C7 is 0, C8 is 1, and this is very important. Try not to mess with this C9, let it be 0, because this is a password protection for your display. If you set it to 1 by mistake and you forget the password, then you are really in a bad situation. Then C10 is for saving your saving your current C settings, right? This is on no right now, so I don't want to save it. Then C11 is set to 0, C12 is set to 7, C13 is set to 1, and C14 at last is set to 2. These C parameters also have their different meaning. You can check the attached PDF file in the link of the video description so that you can understand it. Now after saving all your parameters, you can just press and hold your power button. It will save all the parameters for your display, which will help control the ESC of your e-bike. and that's it, how you set your display. Okay, as you guys have already seen that I have attached a extra functional switch system over here with flash lamp and turning signals and horn, and I will be attaching this mini horn and some headlamp and DRL lights to the bike so that it is very safe to ride in my place. I'll be using it for daily commutes, so it is really necessary to add these basic safety signals and lights and horn. So thanks for watching the video. In next video I will show my process of adding all the safety lights and horn in this e-bike. Stay safe and wear masks.
I know the sadness that cripples you.